Hi everyone, and welcome to our What's Cooking with DP. So today I'm going to start off again with the Oceania draw. So I've got my hat, as you can all see, all very legit, and all the names are in there. So I'm going to quickly take a name out. And it's Leanne Horamsa. So Leanne, well done, congratulations. And then just to remind you that we have extended it by a week. So for those of you that are watching who haven't done the Oceania workshop, please go on and do it. And then also remember, in order to go into the big draw, you do need to share it on social media as well. So just make sure you do that. And now I'm going to hand over to Jax. Very exciting to have her on board again, and she's going to take us through our webinar. Hi, Jax.
Hi, Charles. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our What's Cooking with DP, #20. So we thought this was quite a good mark for us. It is our 20th webinar in the year 2020, and we've had a great time doing them. We thank you everyone for joining every week and having so much fun with us. We're going to do a little different theme this week. It's going to be our salespeople talking for 20 seconds. 20 seconds, can you imagine a salesperson speaking for 20 seconds? But anyway, we're going to see how they go. The team has been fantastic over these last 20 weeks, and I thank them so much for that. They've gone all out to make tremendous efforts in making sure that these webinars are fun and informative and engaging, and they've done a great job. So we've really, really enjoyed it. We're very fortunate to have had some great people on our webinar, and we thank them for all their support. But as they say in life, all good things come to an end, and so we have decided that this will be our last webinar per se. And we're going to do something a little bit different going forward. We still always want to be in your faces. We always want to be out there. We want to keep you updated. So we've decided to do something a little different. And going forward, we're going to do a 15-minute update on our products. It'll be done weekly still by our various salespeople. And the aim of it is that we will still keep you up to date. It will be posted on our Facebook page. And so what we'll be doing is you can still come on at 12 o'clock if you are not so busy, but hopefully you will be busy because they're opening the borders today. We're not sure where they're opening them to, who they're opening them to, how they're opening them to, but hell's bells, they're going to open them to somewhere, somehow. So hopefully that works for us. So yes, we'll go onto the page, and 12 o'clock, if you don't have a chance to see it at 12 o'clock, then we will put it on our diaries. And you can watch it every week at your own leisure. But seriously, they'll only be 15 minutes. So please continue to watch us. Look out for us. I don't know where the slide has gone that I'm supposed to be talking, because it's supposed to come up, but it hasn't come up. But that's okay. I'll just carry on talking to What's Cooking with DP. And I'll move on to the next person, which is our one and only Rob, and we'll go through the team. So sit back, enjoy, and thank you again, guys, for all your support. It has been amazing. Thanks, and over to you, Rob.
Awesome. Thanks, Jax. Really appreciate that. Hello, everybody. I've been fortunate enough to be part of this incredible team over the last 20 consecutive webinars. Really just a chance to say thank you. I think that's the biggest thing. Representing DP is a wonderful passion, and I'm sure my colleagues will say the same. One thing I just wanted to share is how wonderful a difficult period has been in order to stand together as the tourism industry. I mean, we've learned together how to adapt to some really difficult times. I admire each and every one of you out there who fought long and hard to get through this. And there's only good sunshine coming at the end of this. So I want to say thank you for that. I think we've built some good friendships along the way amongst people that we've got to meet and got to learn about. And I look forward to the way forward. Once those borders open, once we get moving again, we'll be able to rub shoulders and give each other hugs, high fives, handshakes, and the likes. So, just wanted to comment on that. Don't want to speak too much. I know Jack's joked about 20 seconds, but I really don't have enough time to say thank you. And hopefully we get an opportunity to speak in person and talk about things we love, and that's the travel industry. So as DP and as a member of this fantastic dynamic team, good luck out there. Let's go and make this industry boom again. And means a lot to me to be part of it. Thanks so much. I'm going to pass over to my colleague, Gail, one and only. Thanks so much.
So hi, everybody. I'm Gail, and I am based in the city with the sea and the mountains and, of course, the wine too. So that is Cape Town. 20 weeks. Wow, it's been a really long time for a sales rep to be confined to a desk, a chair, and a computer, rather than being in her car, visiting her agents and dodging rain puddles. But such is life, and as crazy as it's been, at the beginning of lockdown, I was definitely in the fear zone, and it took me a while to move into the learning zone. But I can honestly say right now, I'm in the growth zone. I live for the now with a clear picture of what's next. I'm very appreciative and grateful for everyone and everything that is in my life right now. So whether it is family, friends, work colleagues, the agents, it's onwards and upwards from here. So roll on October, which is tomorrow. Let's make some bucks before the year is up. So travel, it's like a drug. The more we do it, the more we want to do it. And being in the industry, we really are exposed to such amazing destinations and opportunities. And I have faith that we will all soon be jetting off somewhere fabulous and ticking off a bucket list. So my next planned trip is Portugal. Last year, I did Spain with 3 girlfriends, and I had the time of my life. And at my age, which is probably a lot older than most of you, traveling with mates is amazing. So watch this space and face 2021, you'll catch me in Porto, Lisbon, and of course the Algarve. But first I need to renew my passport, so that's going to be a bit of fun and games. Anyway, everybody, thanks for being so supportive. It's lovely to have connected with you all, whether it be by phone, our webinars, emails. We're there for you. Can't wait for a little bit of normality, but hang in there. Let's be positive, and we'll see you soon. It's over to Emma.
Thank you, Gail. Hey, everyone. So for those of you who don't know, I'm Emma. I've been in travel for 20 years now, and 16 of those have been selling and promoting cruising. So I live in Port Elizabeth, and I proudly represent development promotions in PE, East London, and along the beautiful, beautiful garden route. I love travel, and it's been amazing working together with my colleagues at DP. Yeah, so for those of you who maybe missed the Holland America Line webinar, that is a cruise brand that's really, really close to my heart, and I just love the product. And yeah, 2020, what a crazy, crazy year. I think it's been a year of self-reflection. At the beginning, it was about slowing down. It's definitely been adapting, learning new things, thinking, changing the way we think. And I think for some of us, we've smoked and drunk a little bit less or a little bit more, depending on what contacts we had in lockdown. And I think we've also realized that we're all stronger and braver than we actually think. So today, can you believe that it's our 20th webinar with What's Cooking with DP? We've had some amazing guests every week. We've had lots of laughs and a few tears along the way. We've showcased some fantastic products and destinations. And I just want to say thank you to all my agents down here in my area for tuning in every week. I really, really appreciate it. So yeah, so like Gail said, we love travel. If I think about my travel wishes, as you know, we are now doing At Home with DP. I love wildlife and nature, so a bush lodge getaway would be tops for me. That would be really ideal. In terms of a family holiday, I would love to do an Alaska cruise with my kids and my husband. Maybe if I was celebrating a special anniversary, I would love to do a Tuscan treat tour, perhaps with back roads, because I love food and wine. And then, yeah, we were supposed to do a family reunion in Thailand this year, but obviously COVID changed all of that. So maybe, who knows, in 2021, I'll be doing that with my family and distant relatives in Australia. So yeah, just to end off, thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I wish you all the best for level 1. Over to you, Nat.
Awesome, thanks, Ems. Yeah, 2020, what a ride and what a journey it has been. I also just want to say thanks to my amazing DP family, my epic sales team. I don't think I could have got through this without you guys, you know, the moral support and just having each other's back and fully knowing how hard it is, as Gail said, to be at home and not being able to see everyone. And of course, an even bigger thanks to all the agents who have just put out positive energy and We all know the kind of situation that you've been in, but, there's been nothing but positivity from you and knowing that things are going to come right. So, sending all the good vibes for, the next couple of months and for 2021 to be our year. As all the other guys have said, travel is our life. It is an addiction. I also spent many, many years on the road as a trip leader. So what this lockdown has really, really taught me is to be grateful for the opportunities that I did have and to know how awesome travel is. So I know that we can't do it right now, but to know how amazing it actually is to do it is what I'm the most grateful for. It puts everything in perspective. Let's just be grateful for what you have, be grateful for what you don't have. Let's go forward. And my 2021 plans is to do a top deck trip with my better half. We already started looking at it. I'm 100% going to Europe, getting back to where all the good stuff happens. So thanks again to everyone, sending love and light and juju, and only the best to come. I'm going to hand over to the man behind the magic, Roland.
Thanks, Nat. Hi, guys. Like Nat said, I've been working most of the time in the background, helping with all the different presentations and the videos and making sure that everybody knows how to use Zoom. And it's been really fun seeing everybody and seeing all the comments and all the different guests that we brought together over the last 20 weeks. I've really enjoyed it. And thank you for joining us. And I think what the lockdown has taught me is, obviously, like some of the guys said, is just to be thankful for what we've got and appreciate the small things. And my first thing that I'm going to do in terms of traveling would be a road trip down the garden route. And then, hey, Shelley. And then hopefully sometime soon, within the next couple of years, hopefully doing a nice cruise with my family. So with that, I'm handing over to Jen quickly. Thanks, guys.
Hi, I'm Jen. I've also been helping around in the background for these webinars, and I'm really grateful that everyone's joined us. It's been really exciting, for me to share our experiences with you on our awesome product and just to have that interaction throughout lockdown. It's been really cool. So, we've all been living through some very exciting times, definitely. But I like to think that historically, when something like this happens, it also gives opportunity for positive change and incredible innovation, and really for the best of humanity to shine through. So I think it's upwards and onwards from here, and it's going to be amazing, and wishing all of our travel agent friends the very best. I've always said that there's going to be a space in heaven for travel agents automatically because you guys are just absolutely amazing and you deal with so much. So that's me, and I'm very honored to hand over to our favorite host, our very own Ellen, Shelley, baker of banana breads, Shelley Spice, Chef Shelley, our birthday girl. Over to you, Shell.
Thanks, Jen. Sorry, guys, I happened to pop in there because I was so excited. I'm sure all of you know me very well to know that my favorite thing in the world is ice cream. So I really don't have much to say except I love you all. I love you, agents. We're with you all the way. Thank you for everything you've done for us during lockdown, all the fun times, the support and that. But I've really got to go now because I am just, I'm really in my happy space. It's very nice. And it's a very auspicious day today.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shelley.
Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Thanks, guys. That's very special. And now, before my ice cream melts and I carry on like a mad woman with ice cream, as DP always does, we do something very out the box, something very different. So as usual, we are going to deliver something that you have never seen before. It's a song you will not recognize because none of us have heard it in a very, very, very long time. And we've put this fun little dance together just to say thank you and to really show you how much we love you and how it's been so great to have you on our webinars with us. And we look forward to seeing you next week on Facebook. So over to you, Rolf. Thank you, guys.
Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami, dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami, dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami. Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema